This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys saw earlier, we did a live swatching, Mama and I, of the gorgeous House of Color. But this is going to be not only like an introduction to the colors. No, nay. We are going to also be unboxing Madam Glam's brand new tools. And if that wasn't magical enough, we are going to move into a full rainbow extravaganza set. So strap in, get all of your snacks, your drinks, all of the magic. This is going to be a bit of a longer video, but it's going to include an unboxing, well, two unboxings of Madam Glam PR, a tool review of their brand new tools, and a full set. So let's get into all the magic. For anyone that wasn't able to be a part of that live, have no fear, because the House of Color is here, and I'm going to be talking about the collection, showing you those gorgeous colors, and doing a full design using all of those beautiful colors. Now, this is when I completely squealed. I have never seen this brand new box from Madam Glam, and they have been finding different ways and new ways to be as eco-friendly as possible. And y'all, they went all out. This box, first of all, is easily recyclable, and when you turn it around, there's some magic that we're going to be talking about in just 1 second. But that first PR package came with a gorgeous professional nail dust brush. Now this retails for $14.95, but if you are a VIP, you get it for $7.48, which is ridiculously amazing. Okay, this is cheaper than a polish, and this is a tool that keeps on giving. I cannot get over these synthetic bristles. The nylon bristles are so beautiful, and they stay in shape after each use. The brush length is 62 millimeters by 45 millimeters, and the color is, well, it says black, but that's the handle, which is a hexagonal, amazing handle that is made to literally fit your fingers. Like, it is made for you with this amazing travel storage case. So they went all out, as they do with all of their tools. If you guys have not tried their brushes, their dotting tools, you really need to check them out. Their lamps, they have so many amazing tools. They literally make sure that you can have a home salon brought to you. So what's really interesting is there's been a lot of information going back and forth about UV rays, skin cancer, and there's actually a lot of fear that's been going on. And something that they're not talking about is they are talking about 20 minutes of exposure, they're saying. And if you're doing the 30-second cures and stuff of that nature, you're not even going to come anywhere close to that 20 minutes. But it is incredibly important to keep yourself safe. So these UV protectant gloves will not only keep your hands supple and beautiful, but, you know, sun aging, all of these things, it's meant to nip that right in the bud. This is also machine washable. So when we talk about eco-friendly, this isn't throwing away a bunch of gloves. These are, you know, reusable gloves that you can use again and again. But I just wanted to quickly reiterate that a UV lamp is far more dangerous than the LED lamps. You need far more exposure in those lamps to create like the thiodine markers that create cancer. So as long as you're using responsibly, you'll be completely fine. But these are also amazing for content creators because we have our hands in the lamp way more than the average nail enthusiast. So we're just taking a deeper look at this gorgeous brand new box. And this is what I was talking about before. So they have a scannable QR code that brings you right to their website and talks to you about different, you know, it's so cool. I didn't realize there's actual depots that you can send your unused nail polish to for recycling. There's all sorts of things. So you guys, if you have this brand new box, scan it so you can find out all the tea on Madam Glam and how they are helping our planet. I can't get over, first of all, with their vegan, cruelty-free products, palm oil free. They're making sure that, they're getting things that are sustainable, that are not horrible for our planet. Like, they're really going the extra mile. And you can see they even go as far as to ensure that their packaging is as eco-friendly as possible. So I just absolutely love that. So these are the House of Color colors, and y'all, if you did not see the live, oh my days, this launched on June 13th, and luckily it has finally arrived. It was stuck in my airport and I was crying. But if you guys know, there's been horrible fires in Calgary and Alberta, and due to those fires, there's been a lot of issues with mail. So I was completely understanding of the fact that this might take a little bit longer. But now I get to create a gorgeous pride set with these beautiful colors. So this one is called The Star, and it is the star of the show. It is such a yummy yellow. This reminds me of limoncello. It is so beautiful. Their cream formula, so that is their 5-bottle opacity. It is everything. Next up is your Sublime, but it's sublime because this is a lime, gorgeous inspired color. This is giving me all of the green highlighter, the Slimer, Ghostbusters, who you gonna call? I'm definitely gonna be taking that out again for Halloween. It is such a beautiful green. And next up is Live Colorfully, which honestly, this camera is not even doing this justice. This neon orange is literally traffic cone, stops traffic. And final, last but not least, for all of our purple lovers, Envy Honey, I hope you love this. This is Eternal Bliss, which is such a beautiful, it's like a pastel neon vibes. It is so beautiful. And this color story is giving me all the Skittles. Taste the rainbow. So now that we've unboxed these stunning colors and the protective UV gloves and the brush, we are just going to quickly go through these beautiful swatches, and then we are going to move right in to the look. So I know that this is going to be a little bit of a longer video, but I did not just want to unbox this and show you the beautiful swatches. I wanted to create art, y'all. And I saw this beautiful Pinterest. It was by, now it really breaks my heart. If anybody knows the nail tech, please down in the comments, pin her, tell me her name. I will give her all of the credit. The only thing I do know is she is a brand, like a Magpie brand ambassador. I did go through their website trying to find in their Instagram, trying to find the picture so that I could credit the artist, but there was no, like it was not on their website, but this was on Pinterest. So the moment that I saw it, I fell madly in love. It's like a galaxy rainbow explosion. It is so beautiful. So we are going to get Miss Autumn, the practice hand, and we are going to slay her phalanges. Now, I was just quickly going through. If you guys go to the live section on my YouTube, you get to watch this live swatching and unboxing with Mama Does Nails. This was everything, and we even did demos. She painted her full hand with the colors she selected and did bling. She gives you bling therapy. So if you guys want to see that beautiful live, I will keep that in the description box below, and you can also find it in the live section of my YouTube. So these are where those beautiful swatches are from, and we are going to move on to the glorious nail design. Pride Month is so incredibly special to me, and it's about our uniqueness. It's about celebration. It's about fighting for equality. It's about human rights. It's about love. So I truly wanted to do a set that embodied all of that. And my beautiful hand model, Autumn, she rolled up in here like she didn't even have an appointment, nothing. She was just like, okay, so it's Pride Month. Gave my fingers, and I was like, excuse me? She was like, yes, I am going to the Pride Parade. I have so many events to go to. You need to snatch my phalanges. So I was like, "Ah, damn. Okay, girl, I got you." So she showed the beautiful Make Pie Ambassador nails that I'm going to show you in just one moment. So I said, okay, we are going to go through the gorgeous Madam Glam colors, and we are going to give you a Pride Madam Glam mani. So that was her phone there that she brought in, and I was like, you're lucky I love you. Okay, we're about to snatch these. So first, I just did light filing. Her natural nails are so beautiful. They're the most gorgeous almonds. So we are just going to adorn her beautiful nails. And we're going to start off with the perfect black. And we're going to use that as a base. And then we are going to do beautiful swirls and drops with the perfect white. And then we're going to move into this brand new collection. We're going to use every single color. And we're also going to add the perfect red and perfect blue, and we're going to use white gel paint. So if you guys have those colors, come along with me and do beautiful galaxy intergalactic pride nails with me. This is going to be a watch me work, but if you have any questions about the application or anything that I did during this design, feel free to comment down below. I'd also love to hear what you think about the brand new colors, what you think about this design, and just how you're doing. I'm just sending all of the love and light, and I'll see you in a moment.
Yeah. We can play games in the boudoir, treat you like a superstar every night. We could lie in the morning, you can say you had the time of your life. Can you give me the green light? Will you say that you'll be mine? Baby, come watch the show, you know you don't need an invite. Did I make you laugh? Cause you made my day. Come with me, I swear that you'll stay. But you never felt so good, never felt so fine. Haven't been this happy in your whole damn life. You never felt so cool, never felt so ooh. Yeah, we turning up, cause this is how we do. When you're holding me, yeah, it's guaranteed. Yeah, you got that thing and that's what I need. You never felt so good, never felt so fine. Haven't been this happy in your whole damn life. Girl, you got me falling. Oh, girl, you got me falling. Girl, you got me going now on my mind, and I just can't keep falling for those pretty lies. And girl, you got me going now on my mind, and I just can't keep falling for those pretty lies. And now there's no one left here in this place. Feel like these drinks have all just gone to waste. You're stealing glances while you're on the phone. You whisper to me, can you walk me home? And your halo that you wear so unreasonable on the way home. And girl, you got me going now on my mind, and I just can't keep falling for those pretty lies. And girl, you got me going now on my mind, and I just can't keep falling for those pretty lies. And now it's truth or dare, I know it's cruel, but you can watch me and I'll walk you through. It's coming clear that you've been here before. Those broken hearts across your bedroom floor. And girl, you got me going now on my mind, and I just can't keep falling for those pretty lies. And girl, you got me going now on my mind, and I just can't keep falling for those pretty lies. And girl, you got me going now on my mind, and I just can't keep falling for those pretty lies. And girl, you got me going now on my mind, and I just can't keep falling for those pretty lies. Girl, you got me falling. Oh, girl, you got me falling. Girl, you got me falling. Like you wear so unreasonable. Girl, you got me falling. Girl, you got me going now on my mind, and I just can't keep falling for those pretty lies. And girl, you got me going now on my mind, and I just can't keep falling for those pretty lies. And girl, you got me going now on my mind, and I just can't keep falling for those pretty lies. And girl, you got me going now on my mind, and I just can't keep falling for those pretty lies.
너무 멋있어 너는 웃음다 가장 자리에서 액션에 있어
but you'll be glad we met if you come with me. You'll be having no regrets. And when you're drinking my brandy and you're wearing my jammies and you're thinking with me one day you might like the family. Didn't make you smile, cause you made my day. Come with me, I swear I'll just say that you never felt so good, never felt so fine. Haven't been this happy in your whole damn life. You never felt so cool, never felt so ooh. Yeah, we turning up, cause this is how we do. When you're holding me, yeah, it's guaranteed. Yeah, you got that thing and that's what I need. You've never felt so good, never felt so fine. Haven't been this happy in your whole damn life. You've never felt so good. Don't try to tell me that you've got someone else, cause I can see them. Shouldn't have to please yourself. Come back to my place, I'll treat you like a queen. God, you deserve it. Come ride my limousine when it's more than just friendly. In the back of my Bentley, and you're thanking the Lord, cause only God could have sent me. Didn't make you laugh, cause you made my day. Come with me, I swear that you'll say that you never felt so good, never felt so fine. Haven't been this happy in your whole damn life. You never felt so cool, never felt so ooh. Yeah, we turning up, cause this is how we do. When you're holding me, yeah, it's guaranteed. Yeah, you got that thing and that's what I need. You've never felt so good, never felt so fine. Haven't been this happy in your whole damn life. You've never felt so good. You never felt so good. Yeah. We can play games in the boudoir, treat you like a superstar every night. We could lie in the morning. You can say you had the time of your life. Can you give me the green light? Will you say that you'll be mine? Baby, come watch the show. You know you don't need an invite. Didn't make you laugh, cause you made my day. Come with me, I swear that you'll say that you never felt so good, never felt so fine. Haven't been this happy in your whole damn life. You never felt so cool, never felt so ooh. Yeah, we turning up, cause this is how we do. When you're holding me, yeah, it's guaranteed. Yeah, you got that thing and that's what I need. You've never felt so good, never felt so fine. Haven't been this happy in your whole damn life. You've never felt so good.
I don't need recognition. I'm on a mission. I'm paying dues. I'm in position. I'm staying up. It's getting late. You're doing good. I'm doing great. Recognition. I'm on a mission. I'm paying dues. I'm in position. I'm staying up. It's getting late. You're doing good. I'm doing great. Hours of practice, they don't feel like working. Overthinking, I don't mean to let the pain and hurting. I was main stage with Tiny at a festival. Reality's a just less than 24 hours pass and I'm back to working. The wage isn't minimum, but when you know your worth is more, you make your own curriculum. Studying the industry, I know you see me killing them. Nice, it felt so real, I had some moments I was living them. Celebrity, civilian, walk amongst the greats that you ignore. The ones relentlessly pursuing every key to every door. It's evergreen and evermore if you're content with living normally. I'm handing in my notice to the world on record formally. I know this life is right for me. I know the future's bright for me. I know my teachers lied to me. I do it for the ones that came before and nearly died for me. Recognition, I'm on a mission. I'm paying dues, I'm in position. I'm staying up, it's getting late. You're doing good, I'm doing great. Recognition, I'm on a mission. I'm on a mission. I'm paying dues. I'm in position. I'm staying up. It's getting late. You're doing good. I'm doing great.
These came out so beautiful. I cannot get over Miss Autumn's natural nails. They're so long, and I was so excited to snatch them for her. Now I know at first when she showed up, I was like rolling my eyes, but I'm so glad she came because this set turned out so beautiful, and it was a beautiful excuse to use the brand new colors. If you like this, please comment down below. A huge thank you to Madam Glam for sending out these absolutely delicious Pride themed collection. Like, these colors are so beautiful. I've got to go look at the other ones before they sell out. Oh my goodness. There's also discount codes in the description box below. And again, Madam Glam, without you, this would not be possible. Thank you for sending over the beautiful tools and polishes. And also, this would not be possible without you. Thank you so much for watching. This meant the world. Happy Pride Month, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Remember, do all things with love. Thank you so much for watching.